My sister is showing me her parrot game for Nintendo DS.
But this one already did everything.
I'll show me.
Okay, Blue Jewel to love. Look at this. Now I can show you what you can do.
Okay.
Okay, but I have to turn the board back.
Okay.
Let's see. There's. You want to shower it?
Yeah.
Now more. That's a finisher. That sparkles.
Real parrots are a difficult, long lifetime commitment. Say save them for responsible adults, but for children, a little Nintendo DS game like this gives them the experience and the thrill of getting to train and care for a parrot and learn what it's about. It's a good way for them to start before taking care of a real bird, which requires a lot more time and dedication.
Don't buy my shirt. Don't buy my shirts. No.
What's easier, a real parrot or the game?
The game.
Yes. Because a real parrot you have to take care of every day, but the game you can just play when you feel like it.
Yeah. If you press the parrot, and that means it doesn't like you.
Yeah. And in the game you don't get pooped on like you do with the real parrot.
So then I had to clean it. But
Truman, get out of my shoe! No, go wet the paper towel down for me.
That's so funny.
Parrot Pals game for Nintendo DS. Much better for children than a real parrot.